Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about your vehicle leaking fluids and how frustrating it can be if no one can seem to diagnose or tell you exactly what's leaking on the vehicle and get it repaired properly. At the West Automotive Group, whether it's oil, transmission, power steering, any oil-based fluids, we usually recommend to do what's called a dye test. By installing the dye, we can actually run the vehicle and pinpoint the exact area that the leak's coming from and make recommendations. We do see things such as rear main seal leaks, engine oil pan gaskets, valve cover gaskets. Something as simple as an oil filter cap that the O-ring or cap has cracked and is causing a leak that folks have missed, causing a lot of frustration for drivers and clients that a vehicle keeps leaking. So by installing the dye, run the vehicle, clean it off, and we can actually trace exactly where the leak's coming from, therefore recommending the proper repairs. Now often there can be multiple repairs when it comes to leaks, but we can walk through them and pinpoint them for you and help folks make a decision on where to start and what is the most active leak on a vehicle. If you are having oil leaks, get your vehicle in, get it dye tested, inspected properly by a qualified technician.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.